What is space debris mitigation in commercial space? Have you ever wondered what happens to all the old satellites and rocket parts floating around in space? This is where space debris mitigation comes into play. It refers to the practices aimed at reducing the creation and accumulation of man-made objects in Earth's orbit. These objects can include defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and fragments from collisions. The importance of this topic cannot be overstated, as space debris poses serious collision risks to operational spacecraft, including those carrying astronauts. At the heart of space debris mitigation are two main approaches. The first is preventing the generation of new debris during space missions. This can be achieved by designing satellites and launch vehicles to avoid breakups or explosions. Choosing orbits that minimize collision risk is also essential. Additionally, spacecraft can be maneuvered to avoid existing debris. The second approach focuses on managing spacecraft and rocket stages at the end of their operational life. Commercial operators are required to dispose of these objects responsibly. This can involve performing controlled reentry into Earth's atmosphere, where they burn up safely. Another option is moving them to less crowded, graveyard orbits. Some operators may even send them on trajectories to escape Earth's orbit entirely. Active debris removal is another strategy, where efforts are made to retrieve debris within a specific time frame. These measures are guided by international and national regulations and standards. For example, the Federal Aviation Administration provides guidelines for commercial space operators. The ultimate goal is to maintain a sustainable space environment. This allows human spaceflight missions and satellite operations to continue safely without increasing collision risks. From the perspective of astronauts and space missions, effective debris mitigation is vital for crew safety. Space debris can travel at incredibly high speeds, and even small pieces can cause significant damage to spacecraft hulls or critical systems. This could endanger lives and mission objectives. Therefore, astronaut training includes awareness of debris risks and procedures for collision avoidance maneuvers. Space missions also incorporate debris tracking and mitigation plans to minimize exposure to hazardous debris fields. In essence, space debris mitigation in commercial space involves proactive design, operational choices, and end-of-life disposal strategies. These efforts aim to reduce debris creation and manage existing debris. By doing so, we support safe and sustainable human spaceflight and satellite operations while lowering collision risks and protecting astronauts and spacecraft.